In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a lease agreement in DocuSign. By the end, you'll know exactly how to prepare your lease. Add the right people, place signature fields, and send it off securely for e-signature. Start by signing into your DocuSign account and opening your dashboard. If you're on a computer, use a modern browser and a stable connection so uploads and previews load quickly. Once you're in, we'll build everything in a single package called an envelope. From the dashboard, click Start, choose Envelopes and select Send an envelope. Think of an envelope as the container for your lease file, the recipients and all the signing instructions. Keeping everything in one envelope makes tracking and completion effortless. Next, upload the lease agreement. Click Upload, then pick the file from your computer or from cloud storage if you keep documents in services like Drive or OneDrive. Wait for the file to appear in the document list, then confirm it's the final version. Take a moment to preview page order and orientation so the signer sees it exactly as intended. Now add your recipients. Enter the tenant's name and email address. If the landlord or property manager also needs to sign, add them as another recipient. If you want one person to sign before the other, set the signing order so the first signer receives it first, followed by the next. Double check email addresses. Accuracy here prevents delays. Quick note while we're here, I've placed the official DocuSign website link and the mobile app download link right at the top of the description so you can access the correct sign-in page or install the app instantly. Next, review the email message that will go out with the envelope. You can edit the subject to something clear and add a short note like, "Please review and sign the attached lease agreement." This helps recipients understand what they're receiving and why it matters. Click Next to add required fields. Drag in signature, date signed, and name if you want the signer's printed name captured. Assign each field to the correct signer using the color or drop-down selector, and place fields exactly where they belong on every page that requires them. Zoom in to align boxes neatly and avoid covering existing text. Finally, review everything once more, documents, recipients, and fields. Then click Send. DocuSign will email each signer a secure link to review and sign electronically, and you'll be notified as signatures are completed. That's all you need to send a lease with confidence. Thanks for watching.